Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today for another exciting exploration of the English language. Today's word is clinic. A clinic is a small medical center. It's a noun, and it's generally used at a B2 level. So, what exactly does clinic mean? Well, simply put, a clinic is a healthcare facility that's smaller than a hospital and usually focuses on outpatient care. This means patients come for treatment and leave the same day, without staying overnight. You might go to a clinic for a checkup, a vaccination, or to see a specialist about a particular health issue. Think of it as a place where you can get medical attention for non-emergency situations. Now, let's delve into some synonyms for clinic. One synonym is surgery. While surgery can also refer to a medical procedure, it's also commonly used in British English to describe a doctor's office or a clinic. For example, I have an appointment at the doctor's surgery at 2 p.m. Another synonym, although slightly different in scope, is dispensary. A dispensary is typically a place where medicines are dispensed, but it can also offer basic medical services, functioning similarly to a clinic. For instance, the old dispensary on the corner has been renovated into a modern clinic. We could also use the word office in some contexts, particularly when talking about a specific doctor or specialist. My dentist's office is just around the corner from my house. It's important to note that while these words share some similarities with clinic, they might have slightly different connotations or be used in specific regions. Next, let's explore some antonyms. It's a bit tricky to find direct antonyms for clinic, as it refers to a type of facility. However, we can think of words that represent larger or more comprehensive healthcare institutions. One such word is hospital. A hospital is much larger than a clinic and provides a wider range of services, including inpatient care, surgeries, and emergency treatment. For example, she was rushed to the hospital after the accident. Another contrasting term is emergency room, often abbreviated as ER. While a clinic usually handles routine or non-urgent medical needs, the emergency room is for critical situations that require immediate attention. If you experience chest pain, go to the emergency room immediately. Furthermore, a sanatorium could be considered an antonym, especially in the context of historical usage. A sanatorium was a long-term care facility, often for patients with chronic illnesses like tuberculosis, while a clinic generally provides shorter-term, outpatient care. In the past, people with tuberculosis were often sent to a sanatorium for treatment. Now, let's look at how you might use clinic in everyday life. Imagine you're talking to a friend about getting a flu shot. You could say, "I'm going to the clinic tomorrow to get my flu shot." Or perhaps you're discussing healthcare options with a colleague. You might mention there's a new walk-in clinic that's open late evenings and weekends. You could also say, "This clinic specializes in sports medicine." Another example, the community clinic offers free health screenings. You might hear someone say, "I'm volunteering at the local clinic on Saturdays." Consider these phrases: attend a clinic, visit a clinic, run a clinic, a private clinic, a public clinic, a dental clinic, a medical clinic, and a veterinary clinic. Here are some more examples of clinic in sentences. The nearest clinic is about 5 miles from my house. She works as a nurse at a free clinic for low-income families. The university operates a student health clinic on campus. He went to the clinic for a routine checkup. The clinic provides vaccinations and other preventive care services. They are planning to open a new clinic in the underserved community. The waiting room at the clinic was crowded. I need to schedule an appointment at the clinic next week. The doctor referred me to a specialist at the clinic. This clinic is known for its excellent patient care. We can also expand to slightly more complex sentences. Despite the long wait, the care I received at the clinic was excellent, and the doctor was very thorough. Because of the increasing demand for healthcare services, the clinic is planning to expand its facilities and hire more staff. After the accident, he required several weeks of physical therapy at the rehabilitation clinic. So, to recap, a clinic is a small medical center providing outpatient care. Synonyms include surgery, dispensary, and in some contexts office, while contrasting terms are hospital, emergency room, and historically, sanatorium. You can use clinic in everyday conversations when talking about healthcare appointments, vaccinations, or discussing medical facilities. It's a versatile word that you'll encounter frequently in English. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word clinic helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and learn English with us. Now, I have a challenge for you. Try creating your own sentence using the word clinic and share it in the comments below. I look forward to reading your examples. Until next time, keep practicing and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.